That is really nice.
Is that cucumber?
No. Do you like it? Vegetable.
Is it?
Yeah.
Nice.
Assalamualaikum, halo semuanya dimanapun Anda berada, semoga sehat selalu dan bahagia. Kembali lagi di acara Icip-Icip Internasional bersama Unilever Channel. Tadi sudah lihat saya berhenti di supermarket. Saya itu lihat-lihat bahan-bahan apa yang mau dieksekusi untuk acara Icip-Icip Internasional. Saya menemukan terong, karena bagus-bagus banget terongnya, dan juga bayam. Nah, kalau bayam di sini itu hanya daunnya aja yang dijualnya, dan daunnya juga kecil-kecil. Hari ini saya ingin memperkenalkan keripik Indonesia. Keripik Indonesia itu banyak, nggak kentang aja, keripik berbagai macam banyak. Kebetulan saya punya terong dan bayam, jadi harus saya eksekusi menjadi keripik. Sebenarnya sudah ada sih di video sebelumnya orang-orang makan keripik, tapi kali ini karena acara icip-icip internasionalnya di apartemen dan para icipernya dari berbagai negara, dari berbagai orang, mereka pasti suka nyemil-nyemil yang keripik-keripik itu, pasti suka. Tapi hari ini saya mau kasih tebakan ke mereka, kira-kira keripik apa yang mereka makan, karena selama ini mereka hanya taunya keripik kentang saja. Jadi sekarang langsung aja dibawa perkeripikan-keripikan ini. Apakah mereka bisa menebak atau tidak? Saya juga nggak tahu. Oh ya, sebagai iklan, sekarang ini saya hanya menggunakan dye cream saya aja ya. Ini tanpa pakai apa-apa lagi. Yang bagi pemirsa kemarin yang tanya, saya make upnya apa? Hari ini hanya saya pakai dye cream. Hanya lip serum yang saya pakai, Happy Skincare, dan dye cream untuk pagi dan siang harinya. Jadi sudah komplit banget, nggak usah tambah-tambahin apa-apa. Bahkan foundation pun saya nggak pakai-pakai lagi. Apalagi tadi saya habis ngegoreng-goreng itu ya, jadi panas-panas itu bisa terlindungi pemirsa. Jadi bagi pemirsa semua yang mau order Happy Skincare produknya Indonesian, silahkan saja di marketplace. Kalau mau harga promonya langsung saja WhatsApp di saya. Bagi pemirsa yang mau merawat kulit, mau yang ringan tapi natural, nggak usah pakai apa-apa lagi, silahkan aja WhatsApp saya. Promonya beli 3 gratis 1 untuk 1 paket, dan beli 2 gratis lip serum. Jadi silahkan WhatsApp ke nomor saya dengan format HSS gift. Oke, nah sekarang walaupun udah masak-masak tetap aja nggak berminyak-minyak ya, nggak lengket-lengket, pokoknya mantep banget deh. Aika, do you like?
Is that onion? Is that cucumber?
No. Do you like it?
Shrimp?
No.
I don't know.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Aubergine.
Oh. That's really good.
Do you like aubergine? You
I
didn't.
didn't even feel it.
It's like crisps, like
Yeah,
a potato.
pretty- yeah,
Yes,
Pringles, when you
that's
put it
right.
on.
Yes.
I like it.
You like now?
Yeah. Thank you very much.
My pleasure. So this is the first time you try. Yes. That Indonesian food is magic.
What is this?
Guess it.
Some fish style or something?
No, everybody said it's like a fish or prawn. It's
Yeah.
nothing.
It's very nice. What
Is it vegetable? Guess it.
That is beautiful. Yeah, that's very nice.
Yeah. Do you like it?
Mm.
Can you guess?
Don't know.
Aubergine.
Oh my god.
That's good for
Is that
your diet.
aubergine?
Yes.
Wow. That is really nice.
This.
Wow. That's very nice. Thank you so much. Yeah.
There's two different ones.
Yeah.
Let's try this one, crispy banana. Oh, God. What's that, coriander inside?
No. No.
The leaf?
Yeah, what is that? Do you know what is that?
Coriander?
No. Very easy.
Easy?
Sure. Yeah.
The leaf in it, yeah.
Yeah.
But what leaf is it?
Spinach.
Oh, it's a spinach. Yeah, now obviously I can taste it. You know what happens? You know when you eat 2-3 different ones?
Confused.
Because you the tasting in here, because you have to have one for a long time. It's got a fruity kind of
Kind of vegetable.
kind of like a tangy, like an orangey maybe. Or maybe just because it looks like that.
Which one you like? That one or
These two.
Uh-huh.
The spinach one.
Spinach one. That
What's
is
this?
Aubergine.
Aubergine, yeah. What is it?
No processed food or homemade.
Crispy. Oh. Nice.
Do you know what is that?
It's like crisps.
Yeah, vegetable.
Is it?
Yeah.
That's like crisps.
Yeah. Aubergine.
Aubergine.
Do you know aubergine, right?
Yeah.
It's easy. I think you can get it. Vegetable though.
Is it vegetable again? Oh, is it like spinach?
Yes!
Yes. So, you like the food today, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah?
Nice.
Back next week for more.
Yeah.
Well, give a thumbs up to the camera.
Chips.
Leave that with me.
Yes.
Alright, I'll see you later.
Whoa.
Chips.
Very nice. This
What's
one
that
full of
leaf?
Yeah.
Like lettuce or
Try first. I'm not telling you that it's different. There is two.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's different.
Yeah.
Everything.
Different. Yeah.
I forget the name for like
She knows, but she can't say it. She can't do the right word.
very nice.
Do you know what is that?
Cheese.
No.
I don't know.
Nothing.
No,
Just
no.
vegetable. No. Nothing.
No.
Yeah. No. No cheese. So do you know what is that?
No.
The leaf, look at the
The
leaf.
leaf.
Yeah. Look the leaf.
The leaf.
Yeah, I've had it, but I still can't tell what it is.
Spinach.
Spinach.
It's you put the oil.
Watch my video.
We'll put the air fry.
Yeah,
What I do for
watch
you-
the video.
Yes.
I cooked for you, and then at the start of the video, she showed how she make it on YouTube.
I put my Instagram.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes. And then do you know what is that? You try this one. Do you know what is that?
This one.
Yeah.
Sounds like fish.
No. No fish. All vegetable.
Wow.
So nice. Very nice.
Yeah, it's nice, but I'm trying to figure out the vegetable.
Thank you so much.
Yes, yeah.
Vegetable.
Yeah, vegetable.
That's
You don't know? Yeah.
cabbage.
No. Aubergine.
I'm not familiar with it.
But you know aubergine, right? The purple one. And some people said eggplant or aubergine. Eggplant. Yeah, that's it. Yeah,
Yes.
same.
I know eggplant.
That is
Yeah.
similar. Aubergine.
Good.
Right, yeah.
I look at it.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
This one
Thank
will be, you will be 2 days
Yes.
on YouTube.
And
Today.
YouTube, yeah.
Okay.
2 days.
But you have now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
lots of the
Okay. You
ones-
have a lot.
Yeah, she
Okay.
has.
Good.
She's very famous.
Okay.
She's gonna make you
I follow you.
Okay.
Okay.
Subscribe my channel. Okay.
Okay.
What do you eat?
You eat first, then you guess.
I don't know.
The leaf one's easy one.
What is it?
Spinach.
It tastes very good sour and black sugar. What is this one?
Yeah, try again that one.
Yeah.
You cannot find food like that in the shop or supermarket. That is special and different. Do you know what the last you ate?
The last one
Yeah.
I had, you know, I'm not good with like that.
Yeah.
It's like,
No, you're
it
right.
looks like aubergine.
Yes. So which one do you prefer? Or
The
spinach one?
Very,
Yeah.
very
Oh, this one I've done like a zucchini.
No.
No, but it's aubergine.
Yes,
Very
aubergine. That's
thin,
it.
slice
Uh-huh.
and fried or baked.
Oh, fried.
Fried.
Yes.
With some cheese. Cheese.
No, no cheese. Have a try. Have a try.
Very nice.
Cookie wants some? He wasn't even trying, no. As soon as there, as soon as you put it in your mouth, it jumped.
You like crispy thing? Hi, Cookie. Do you like it?
Yeah.
Do you like it? Yes. Do you like it?
What's that for?
Oh yes, you like it? Oh, nice.
Very nice.
Okay.
Bay leaves.
Try first.
It some sort of leaves.
Yes.
It's not bay leaves.
No.
Oh, basil.
No.
Oh. What leaves?
Easy.
So am I right with some of them?
Exactly different pieces.
Obviously, I said that's aubergine.
Yeah, that is right.
She said
Aubergine.
aubergine.
People. Yes.
Yes.
She,
Sure.
yes. She
You never
said.
told her.
No, no, no. She said aubergine.
Easy peasy. This is very.
Yeah, that is very easy.
You done it in an air fryer because it's very crispy. Or
Yeah.
what
Spinach.
No way. Oh yeah, of course it's spinach.
She's waiting. Oh my God.
Yeah.
He doesn't care his vegetable. Good boy, cookie taster.
Cookie tester.
Thank you very much. Cookie, and your breakfast? You happy? Maybe one more aubergine for you. Good boy.
Say thank you. In the camera, Cookie. Say thank you in the camera.
He's shaking his head.
Oh, oh really? Oh.
Yes, good boy. Good boy. Has he tasted anything?
Oh yes.
And he guessed everything right.
Yes. No, sometime. See you later. Bye.